If you're experiencing issues with PUBG updates getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem and ensure a smooth gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. You can test your connection by running a speed test or trying to browse other websites. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the PUBG game client completely and restart it. This can refresh the update process and may resolve any temporary glitches. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're on a console or PC, clearing the cache can help. For consoles, power cycle the device by turning it off and unplugging it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the Steam or game launcher cache. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming bandwidth or system resources. This can help the update process run more smoothly. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling PUBG. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the PUBG update getting stuck. Happy gaming!